Let's see today the query properties and row properties and column properties for key figure properties and row properties and query properties. Okay, just go to our base query and let me remove this one. Now I will save it. So let's first we'll go to the query properties. See, now we can see when I click on the query properties, the option would be there query properties. If, for example, your manager, your teammate, or your TL, somebody ask you, what is the query technical name? On what basis they have created? So immediately you can go, this is the Bex query technical name. This is the info cube name. Sometimes in the real time, almost it will be based on the multi-provider or composite provider. You can take this and you can execute in RSRT level. See, go to, this is the very important, I'm telling you, go back. So here, adjust type Bex query and enter. So now they have created this Bex query on top of this one. So you need to tell like this, and also you have to drill down. Okay, under the cube, what is the objects are available? You have to take this copy of this info folder, go to RS7. So like this, you need to dig it. Okay, if you are getting a target name, okay, our problem will not solve. Okay, you are taking Bex query name. Okay, any issue, and give the Bex query name in the RSRT level, you will get the multi-product name or InfoCube name and expand this one. See, this is the InfoCube. Under this, what is the DSO is there? This one. Okay, from where data is updating to our DSO? Where? This one. Okay, how it is updating? Which system it is updating? See, GFFES. So like this it is updating. So from here to here, you need to tell to the your TL. This is the flow for this Bex query. From here, data is updating. Sometimes in the Bex query level, data is not matching with the source system. Then you can check in the DSO level. Then you can check in the data source level. The data is coming or not. You know, right, how to check data into the DSO level, go to manage. And you know, right, how to check the data in the data source level, go to manage. Okay, like this you can check it. Okay, this is one property, very, very important. Go to query properties and select this technical name. Okay, then go to rows or columns. I mean, this is very, very important. Extended. I went to extended tab and then go to query properties and extended. So this is very, very important. OLEDB. First one is complete product. Go to RSRT, go to RSRT, enter your Bex query, enter your Bex query. You will get, you will get the info provider name. Okay. And take, take that info provider and go to RS7. RS7, search for your info provider. And then expand your info provider. Okay, like this you can check it. Second one is What is the option? Go to query properties, go to query properties, extended, select the checkbox. This one option. OLEDP for OLAP. Otherwise, the Bex query will not show in the Bex query and in the BO level. SAP BO tool or Power BI. Power BI. Okay. And then go to other option is importance. Okay. Go to general. See here we having only these things. And planning and all, it is not applicable when you are working on integrated planning. So we have a integrated planning. Planning will cover under the integrated planning. Integrated planning. When you are working with IP, then only it will consider. Then only we will use this option. So we are ignoring it right now. So extended we already see it, okay? And then go to value display. So in the value display level, so generally before the number or after the number if you want to see. So like now the numbers it will display. What is the property name? Sign, okay? Like dollar symbol or euro symbol, currency symbol, dollar symbol or unit symbol show before number or after number. Then we will use this option. So example, I am creating one new formula. So I'm making as a negative all the numbers. Okay. So like drag and drop this one, drag and drop this one, and multiplication, and give it -1 and give it. So I'm making each and every positive number as a negative number. Then we will perform this activity. Okay. For our activity only, I just created one number. Because of currently it is showing all positive numbers amount. See here, all are negative number. See here, INR is there. Do you want to see that the symbol front or back? This negative symbol. Then you can go to the, where is this option? Go to this option and calculated general. Okay, query property, sorry. Go to query properties, not here. Value display, and now you can see currently it is showing this option. If we select this option, then it will show after the number. See, present it is showing before the number. And now we execute the Bex query. After that, it will display the after the number showing the plus or minus numbers. Okay, now if you want to keep it like no a bracket, if you don't want to show the number, then it see just use and go here and execute it. It will show in the bracket level. Okay, it is not showing number now. Completely it is in the bracket. Okay, and now sometimes we having zero value. Example, here we don't have any zero value. If we have any zero values, then it will display as a, see here, display as a unit. So display as a space or display as a text. Okay. Then, okay, here we having currency. Okay, these are disable. So here currently it is in. So if it is a 0 as a default text, if you want to maintain NA, you can maintain it. It will display in the report level wherever 0 is there, it will display NA. Okay. And if you want to mm, some text, you can write it like this. So, but as of now, we don't have any zero numbers, so I can't show you in the report level. Ignore. All values are available currently, so I can't show you. So all are available. Okay. These are the major our query properties. Planning, extended, general, and variable sequence. So we didn't use any variables. So that is why it is not showing. Go to display, and here sometimes like repeated values will come. Example, um, adjust formatting after refresh. Okay, fine. So here hide repeated key figure values. Example, same report, I'll open into, let me do it. See here, save it. Now I will go to here and I will suppress. This is very important. Go back. Sometimes they will ask you in the query level. See here, repeated, it is not showing. Okay, generally in the report level, it will display like that. Okay, let me remove our back query, remove our orders and save it. Okay, now always display. How it is displaying, we'll see now. Go back, execute. See here, in the RSRT level, it is displaying okay. So when I go to analysis office, example, I will drag and drop month. We'll say or day, example day. Okay, see here, you observe here clearly. See, this material is in all these transaction dates. It is happened. Transaction happen on all these days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 7 rows. It has to show material, but it is displaying only one time. Are you getting me? So it has to display 7 times material 38, 38, 38. But it is displaying only one time for all this. Why? Because this is the reason. Where is the reason? Go to query properties and where is the option? Value display, not this one. Planning extended rows, columns, variable sequence, not this one. Okay, extended. No, the rows or columns. No, not that one. General. I saw somewhere option this one. Where we have see this option. Planning, extended, general, variable sequence, display. Okay, in the display. If you go to display, remove this hide checkbox. See, hide repeated key values. So we are hiding it. When I save and when I do it, when I execute it, it will display each and every column as a generally it will display, but it is not reflecting in the Bex query level. Okay. So I will show you in the report level. Go back and I'm opening in the analysis office. So there it will display. Some options will not reflect in the RSRT level. So business users always they will use AFO, not Bex query, or this RSRT. They don't have access for RSRT itself. Only developers will have it, RSRT. See, now it is displaying like this. Now we have a option here. Go to analysis design. This is the interview question, bro. And go to cross tab. See, repeated members. Then it will display all the rows in the back square. What I did, go to analysis design. There is a cross tab. Repeat members. Okay, this is interview question. Go to A4. Analysis design. Cross tab. Repeat members. Repeat members. And then it will work out. Okay. This is how we will solve this issue. Okay. Display scaling factors for key figures. What is this? Select, and if you have a scaling factors, it will display. So basically in the uh, normally also you can keep it scaling factors for the key columns. For example, if you want to keep a scaling factor. Example, go to display. In the display level, we have a decimal values. If you want to show the decimal values, if you don't want to show the decimal values. So if you don't want to show, then select 0 and save it. Then it will not display all scaling factors. See here, all decimals will go. Only for amount. I did for only amount. So for amount, you don't see any. See here, 17,000, 20,000 it is. So what is the scaling factors? So if I keep it like no 1,000 as a one, then okay, wherever we have in 20,000, it will display 20. Wherever we have in 10,000, it will display 10. Wherever we have 1,000, it will display. See here, here it will display 70, 17, 20, 5, 8. Because I'm showing results as a thousands. The scaling factor would work like this. See here, wherever we have 1,000, see, 1 means 1,000, 14 means 14,000, 11 means 11,000, 8 means 8,000. Okay, are you getting me? So this is the scaling factor. You can see scaling factor. Example, TCS or Cognizant or Accenture, they will release the results in the crores, not thousand. Okay, like that. And sign also reverse sign. If you want to then say show in the reverse side, then it will display in the reverse side. See. Really? I'll make this as a expandable. Okay. See now you can, where is this option? Display hierarchy extended. Select this option. No, it is not displaying. In the query properties level, it is showing, right? Okay. Fine. Yeah, these are the major you can see. For amount also you can see, right? Amount display. These are the. If you are selecting always hide, then it will not display in the report level. If you want to highlight, then you can scaling factors, keep rewards, expandable. Like if you are doing it like no, if you are doing it like expandable, see here, I'm doing like this. Do you want to expand or like what? Go to display and then I see here collapse. By default, it will display the collapse. Then go to report and you can execute it. You can execute it. Now see here, this is collapsed it. When you click on, then it will display both. So like this, it will work. This is a collapse. Collapse means close. Expand means by default, it will show both values. So what I did here, I minimized it and expanded it. When I execute right this time, by default it is expanded. So by default it is expanded. When you select this collapse, then it will not expanded. That is the meaning. Execute. See, you have to expand it like this. It will work. Thank you.